We're gonna see if she'll do this for the camera. Come on, Abigail. Come on. Yay! Almost. All right. She's 7 weeks and 5 days old today. And we put her down on her stomach 3 hours ago and came in to check on her, and she was on her back cooing away. One more time. Do it once more. Yeah. You can do it, honey. She's probably pretty hungry too. Come on, Abigail. Come on. Oh, oh. Yeah. Kick, kick. I wonder if that arm is...
Yeah, she's trying to move it.
Oh, we're getting frustrated. Come on, Abigail. There you go. Get that arm up. You know, pull her arm up. Aww. Hey. Good morning.
She turned her head.
Good morning. Say it's not a good morning. I haven't eaten yet. Okay, well thank you for doing it once for the camera. Oh, oh. Oh. We got all morning, honey. Okay.